What's going on, Sacred Family? Today we'll be doing this shockwave effect inside After Effects. Very easy to do. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping videos every single day this month. You don't want to miss out. Hit that like button. Go ahead, hit it right now. It'll help my channel grow, help you to push my video out to other content creators as well. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. First thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and create a new comp. Press right here. The width and the height is going to be 1080 by 1080. Press OK. And then we're going to go ahead and create a solid. I'm going to go ahead and press on this mask tool right here. I'm going to choose the ellipse tool. I'm going to go ahead and make a circle. Press on this pointer tool right here to bring it to the center. I'm going to go open the mask options, the mask expansion. We're going to make it as small as it could go. I'm going to go forward. I'm going to bring it back to 0 pixels. We have something like that. Next step we're going to do is we're going to press U on our keyboard to bring up those keyframes. F9, easy E, smoothing out the animation. Then we're going to bring this keyframe in closer so it could be faster. We're going to go to our mask feather. I'm going to put that to 30, something like this. We're going to press on our mask 1, Control D. So we have 2 masks. The second mask we're going to put to subtract. On our second mask, we're going to go about right there. I'm going to bring that mask expansion to about 120. You see the ring starts opening up like that. The closer this is, the more thick it's going to be. You guys can go ahead and close those mask options. We're going to hit T for opacity. We'll go ahead and add a keyframe right about here. And then right before the ring disappears, so right here, we'll bring that opacity back down to 0. Now you press on U on your keyboard to bring those keyframes up. You're going to go and highlight that. Press F9 and easy ease. Now since it ends right here, I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Control Shift D. We don't need that. Now we're going to make a few duplicates of our ring. So Control D, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to make it sort of like a staircase, just like so. And then when we play it back, so I'm going to adjust that because that's coming on way too fast. Adjusting it so we get the perfect one. We're going to go back to our original comp. Now we're going to go ahead and put those waveforms in. It's going to look like this. Next step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add an adjustment layer. Effects and presets. I'm going to go ahead and throw a motion tile on top of the adjustment layer. Output width to 300. Output height to 300. Then we're going to go ahead and search up displacement map. Throw the displacement map on top of the adjustment layer. Displacement map layer, we're going to change that to comp 2, which is the waveform. We're going to increase the max horizontal displacement to about 40. Same with the vertical, 40. Once you do that, you could go ahead and turn off the visibility of the waveform. Now when we play it back, we have something like this. And for us to put that on our subject, we have to go back into our pre-comp of the waveform. We're going to select all of them. Go ahead and press P. We're going to bring that to the side. Then we'll go back. You guys can see it moves more to the side. It's not exactly where we want to go, so we're going to go back to that comp. We're going to keep bringing it over to the side. As you guys can see, it's right there. We're going to go back to the comp, select all of them, press S. Let's bring that scale up more, back. This is all about trial and error right here, guys, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, the circle's kind of cutting off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our comp of our waveform. Composition settings. We're going to change the width and the height to 3240. There you go. I'm going to select all of them again, scale it up even more, go back into our other comp. There you go. Pretty fire. That's the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe button down below. We're dropping videos every single day this month. You don't want to miss out, like I keep saying. Hit that like button too. It's free. You're not paying me a single dime. All to support the channel and help you to push my video out to other content creators as well. That being said, catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.